boys and girls. We're going to read another story about wild animals. But these kind of wild animals live in a pond, like in a wooded area or a forest. So you probably know some of these animals. They live in Nebraska. If you go out into a pond or a wooded area, you might see some of these animals. And this is a countdown story. So they're going to start with 10 and they're counting backwards until they get to 1 and then 0, none. So you can be thinking about your numbers too. So it's called Turtle Splash, Countdown at the Pond. And it starts, the story starts early in the morning or early when the sun's out, and then as the sun goes down, different animals come and go to the pond, and then pretty soon it gets nighttime. So we're gonna see different animals that live in a pond environment, in the forest. There's a picture of the pond with trees and green leaves and swamp kind of creatures and animals. Here we go. 10, the number 10. 10 timid turtles lounging in a line. So there they are on the big piece of wood that fell into the water on the big tree stump. Here they are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they're lounging, which means they're just resting, soaking in the sun, kind of sleeping, just sitting there. Look, there's a dragonfly at the pond. There's frogs at the pond. Startled by a bullfrog, so he scares a turtle and it jumps into the water. So now how many turtles are left out there? Now there are 9. So the one turtle jumped in. Now there's 9 on the log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it says 9 napping turtles. The day is growing late. A rabbit rustles in the leaves. So there's a rabbit comes up to the pond and it makes a noise, and look, it scares another turtle. How many are left? There were 9, and take 1 away, and what do you get? Now there are 8. 8 lazy turtles resting without care. A red squirrel scampers by the log. So he comes down to the waterfront, and then that turtle gets scared and jumps in. So now how many is there? What goes the next number in line after 8? Don't say 9, you gotta go backwards. 7 still are there. So now there's 7 turtles. So you went 10, 9, 8, 7. We're getting smaller. So now there's 7 turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 turtles. But then comes some deer. 7 sleepy turtles hear the crunch of sticks. Deer appear beside the shore. Uh-oh, looks like that one's getting scared because he heard some noise. Now there are 6. So he went into the water. Now there's only 6 turtles left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sunning turtles watching ducklings dive. The mother mallard quacks at them. So the mom says, quack, and she scares this turtle. So he jumps in the water. Now there's only 5. 5 idle turtles lolling by the shore. Pollywogs swirl by their log. Do you know what a pollywog is? Tadpoles. They're baby frogs. They have a little tail. Some have started to grow feet. So they're growing up, but they're kind of like little fish, and they got to grow up out of the water. So it scares this turtle. He sees them, he's scared, so he's jumping in the water. So you had 5. Take away that one, and how many are left? 4. Now there are 4. 4 drowsy turtles, quiet as can be. A butterfly flutters by. Butterflies aren't very loud, but it was enough to scare a turtle. Here he is, he's jumping in. He got scared by the butterfly. So he had 4. Now one got in the water. How many are left? 3. Leaving only 3. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. 3 careful turtles beneath a sky so blue. A chickadee chirps in a tree. There's a chickadee, type of wood bird, lives in the woodlands, and he starts making a noise. Chickadee, dee, dee, dee. And he scares a turtle. So the turtle jumps in. We had 3. 1 more jumps in. How many are left? 2. We're down to 2 turtles on the log. There they are. 1, 2. Then there were 2 silent turtles watching the setting sun. Mosquitoes buzz above their heads. So they're going buzz, buzz. And one of the turtles gets scared of the mosquitoes and he jumps in the water. So we had 2. Take away a finger. We have 1 left. Now there's only 1. 1 lonely turtle in the fading light. Look, the sun's setting. It's getting dark in the forest by the pond. Here he is. What do you think he's going to do? Splash! 10 tired turtles settle in for the night. So he went into the water. Look where the turtles are sleeping. Down in the water, making bubbles come up. They're sleeping in the water. Turtles can sleep down the water. And now there's none left on the log. They're all sleeping. And now it's dark in the forest and then by the pond. And then they count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sleep tight, turtles. And you can see some fireflies in there. That's kind of neat. And then that's the end. And then Tally tells you a little bit about the different animals. There were turtles in the story, bullfrogs in the story, rabbits in the story, squirrels, deer were in the story, ducks, pollywogs, those are baby tadpole frogs, butterflies, chickadees, that's that bird, and mosquitoes. All those things live down by a pond in a forest. All right, can you count with me? I want you to put up 10 fingers. We're going to count backwards, okay? So we're going to put a finger down for each number. So we're going to say 10, then I want you to put this finger down, 9, 8, 7, 6, there's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 left. Good. Now let's count back up. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. Very good. So you can count forwards and backwards. This is forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So it's just kind of fun. You can use your fingers and count going forwards or going backwards. All right, boys and girls, until I see you next time, keep learning at home. Be good.